Let's get it, let's get it, let's go. Another day, another opportunity to make the dollars, the dinero. Have a good opportunity to succeed in these markets that we're experiencing. Hope everybody's feeling good, doing well. The opportunities at hand. Woo! God, it's exciting. You feel it? Do you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's go, family. One more day. End the week on a stellar note. Let's get focused. Let's get paid. Work. Good morning, King. Pobby, good morning, King. Let's go. I know you ended up loading up that new account, Pobby. How you feeling with it? Real traders don't quit. Work. Hope the trade's been treating you well, brother. You trading that US 30? How's the trading with the brother going, man? Let's have a great day today. Indeed, King. Indeed. Good morning, my man. Let's go, Spitzy. Welcome in, King, as always. Yo, NASDAQ, playing games with everybody. Playing games with everybody. Pushing back inside of this trend line now. Pretty interesting on the hourly chart here. We pushed up through the gap, and now we're kind of trickling inside of the gap. Back below the trend line. Found some more resistance yesterday at the previous highs. Overnight high is almost exactly previous day high, so could be a target there. Also, it's our daily range is the same range as yesterday, guys, so keep that completely in mind here. Daily high is the same as previous day high, overnight high, and overnight low is the same as previous day low. So we have a possibility to go either side here. Depends on who wants to be the powerful one, which to me gives us clear indication. We just got to do our thing to get involved with it. Let's hopefully have a good day. We will indeed. Good morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. US 30 looks good, though, but we done for the week. Gotta be. Gotta lock it in when you have a stellar week. I love hearing it. Let go. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Vines. Welcome in, King. Vines compilation. What an OG app. Hilarious. What an OG app. I know you've had that YouTube for a while. Yeah, I mean, anything up and around these prices, around these 640, 650s, could be an interesting spot to get involved with the shorts. Or we find continuation through this trend line and start finding these buys at this overnight equal highs. We have equal highs and equal lows. Again, overnight high is the same as previous day high. Overnight low is the same as previous day low. So it's going to be wild. Scucks Deluxe, good morning, King. Let's go. Let's get it. Appreciate you for stopping by, being a part of it. Whoever trades US 30, just buy it if it ain't going up already. He said just hit the buy button. I passed my eval yesterday, so I just watched you perform tonight. Haha. Let's go, Alfie. Congratulations, funded trader. Let's go. Getting past. On the right side of the things, King. Let's get it. Dave, good morning, baby. Welcome in, King. Hope Thailand's treating you proper. I know it is. Good morning, TLR. Y'all know what time it is. Free Money Friday. TFF, baby. Free Money Friday. Let's go, TLR. Trading for freedom all week, all life. Love the opportunities that we're getting. Like I said, guys, overnight low, previous day low. Overnight high, previous day high. We're exactly in the same range, so let's be patient. We don't know which side is going to be the more dominant of the two, and when we do, we can get involved. Good morning, Todd. Let's go, Pat. Welcome in, King. News is at 45. We have 15 minutes, and we have some news. Here comes market opening print price just now. Volume, up into the VWAP. Like I said, guys, we are stuck in yesterday's range, right? Overnight high, overnight low. Exactly the same as previous day high, previous day low. So we just got to be patient and get involved on the right side of things. Brahm, good morning, King. Welcome in as always. Appreciate you for being here. We have the opportunity, guys. Big range in the NASDAQ. You know, almost 300 points, or 200 points. 190 to be exactly. Overnight high, same as previous day high. Overnight low, same as previous day low. Way to get involved with it. I might like a 650 opportunity. I'm going to turn my trade mode on and try a 650 trade. I'm going to try a 650 trade out. A 650. Might be a little bit higher than 650. Might be like these 657s. Front running a little bit. I'm going to go 656. I'm going to try to sell some up here. Quantity of, I need 15 on there. I'm going to try one here at the 656s. Have my order placed. Of course, if we get a reaction, I'm going to have tight stops on this. Kings and Queens, Corey, welcome in, my man. Good morning, King. Let's get it. Let's go. Some volume's coming into the NASDAQ. I'm trying to short this previous range. Overnight low is the same as previous day low. Overnight high, same as previous day high. Both could be a target, so we don't necessarily need to get caught in it. I'm shorting this trend line on the hourly chart, though. I want to see a little pullback into it and then maybe find a rejection. That's why 56 is a little bit high for me, but I'm going to try to take it. I think we could bounce at the 50s here. If the longs step in, though, we're going to be wrong pretty quickly. I'm going to take a quick fade on this. Looks like the 50s are feeling decent. I'm going to be patient at the 56s. This previous swing high might be a little bit extended. I also am shorting this previous midpoint of yesterday's price. Little support. Oh, my days. Off the 50s into the VWAP. Don't say it ain't so. Say it ain't so, NASDAQ. Don't leave me alone like that. Oh, my God. Just checked. It's not even 9:30 and almost 100 points. And there it is. And there it goes. Flying beautiful. God bless this year. Everyone trading it may be all blessed. Let's go. Work. US 30 providing this morning. Guys, I wanted the 50s. It came up to the 52s, and I wanted the 56s. We would already be almost done with this trade right now. What a rejection at that price. Oh, that hurts my feelings. Oh, don't say it ain't so, NASDAQ. Already below opening print price now. God, we were so close to being done on the day already. Love to see it. Opportunities are there. Let's do our best to get involved with it then. Man, I should have been a little bit more. Ooh, you see it. You see it. We're watching it. Well, that does give us some information, I think, on which side might be trying to swing down lower quicker. That gives me my next opportunity here at the 27s, I think. Feels like we're chopping a little bit, but I'm going to try it at the 27s. See if we can get a pullback into this price. Shorting the same supply. Wanting to see the 50s. And now that we got the hold, want to see the 25s hold. Now can we get back up to the VWAP will be the interesting question here. EMA is obviously acting as some resistance. Santiago, good morning, King. Let's go. Bonnie Trade, same, baby. Welcome in. Good morning, King. Time to get paid. Was up 3K yesterday and blew it PM trading. Shaking my head. Oh, sorry to hear it, Santiago. Tough to hear, King. It's a part of the process, though. Load back up. Keep that mindset in the right place. Confidence high. Keep that head steady. That was a nasty candle. That was a nasty candle, Scucks, and I wanted to be in. I had my order at the 56s, and she turned at the 52s. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't do me like that today. Today's not a day to be doing me like that. We could hold these lows down here, guys, as well. These 85s could offer a spot if we can't hold through here. Longs could easily pick up through here as well, so be cautious. But I want to see a rotation to the sell side, I think, after rejection of this hourly trend line on the bigger time frame. Man, we were so close to getting involved there. That's painful. NASDAQ tapping into that bottom that we were just mentioning. Pretty big support price for the buyers at these 85s. They've held it quite a bit, so we'll see. This gray line is the opening print daily price. Below it, we're printing bearish. Above, we're bullish, so I would like another fill towards these 26s at the VWAP. It's kind of feeling like we're a little bit distended right now, so I might not get it, but that's what I want to see. Have you passed the evals? Harsh Dongi, welcome in, King. Not yet. We're at 40%. Excuse me, 40%. All the accounts are paired up. We're ready to go. Ugh. All we got to do is find an opportunity. Quite literally, if I got filled at these 52s, we just passed these accounts already. That feels, or we're at 40% of the day, so that feels a little bit bad. Just missed our winning opening trade there, but lots of opportunity. Market's only been open for 5 minutes, so let's be patient and find another good one. 2 weeks till vacation. Decided to trade till then. Let's go, Matrix. We love it, King. Love having you here, brother. Let's hit the charts well. Just size down a little bit. Maybe you make some money before vacay, huh? Who says we're just going to lose? Let's make some money before vacay. Decompress volume into this range down here at these 85s. Like I said, this is a spot where we could find a bounce. If we're going to stay in this choppy range, it could be here. The hourly candle rejecting that EMA is pretty strong in my opinion. God, I really wanted that trade at the 56s. Here comes the EMA now. Still kind of looking resistant. Buyers are trying to get up through it, but the sellers are slapping these prices down. Might get a VWAP pull. Can I get tapped into these 26s, NASDAQ? Come up to these 26s. Don't fade that VWAP. I'm going to come a little bit lower now into these 23s. Almost just touched my price. It did, in fact, touch my price and no fill, NASDAQ. Oh, today's going to be one of those days, family. Let's be patient. We still can get a fill. Let's not react too quickly. We can still get a fill. Just doing micros till then. Got to. I love that idea matrix. 30 likes by 10 a.m. We can smash that like button, family. Let's go, work. Always showing love. Guys. It touched my price, did not fill us. Again, we would be up. Oh, my God. Tough to see that. Really tough to see twice in a row. Just getting tickled out of the trades. 23s to the 60s. Yeah, we'd be done these accounts again. That candle right there would have been our full TP. 2 in a row, NASDAQ. God. It's telling us where we're going, though, I think, guys. I do think it's indicating where we're heading. Sell side feels weaker here. Feels like we're trying to target some sell side. Our job to get involved. Yeah, that 5-minute supply is feeding right now. Ouch, Matrix. This twice in a row it happened to us this morning, King. I had to short at the 56s. It turned at the 52s. I put my order at the 2350s. It taps it. Doesn't fill us. That's 2 trades right there. We would have made 60 points on. Tough, tough, tough. But whatever. Let's shake it off. Find another opportunity. We still are in the 200-point range from yesterday. I'd like to see some movement. Yeah, we are exactly in yesterday's range. Overnight low is the same as previous day low. Overnight high is same as previous day high. That's why I wanted to see rejection of this trend line on the hourly chart and this previous big swing price where price kind of broke through. That was my initial short idea. Tough, 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 tough. Man, now we got to be patient again. Those were 2 great setups. I cannot believe it just faded us at these 23s. Tough to see it. Market's been open for 9 minutes. We got news dropping in 6. And we can get our box drawn up for our 15-minute range as well. So I think we're going to have some opportunity, guys. We don't need to make it happen. But, man, that was tough to see. Morning all. Amy, welcome in, King. Good morning. Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're doing well. Family, there's 30 people in here. Work already said it. Our 30 like goal. Let's go ahead and smash that button. Show some love if you find any value. Front run your limit order a couple points if that keeps happening. Yeah, I might have to be, Pat. I might have to be. Just getting tickled out. I mean, that first one was brutal. I probably could have been at the 50s instead of the 56s, so I could have been tapped in there. And then that 23 just getting tickled was unreal. Unreal, NASDAQ. Coming into the lows. Here in this pre-market lows. Overnight lows are close to the 540s, so only 30 points from here. Stuck below this EMA again. Feels like sellers are just taking this thing down right now. 557s could be something if we break through these overnight lows. Crazy. Mayhem. Wildness. Next spot I would like is at these 600s maybe. Wouldn't mind to see a 600. 598 probably a little bit safer to maybe try to get involved. Opening print price is going to be the flash though. We have news dropping here soon. Just got tapped into this long short. I feel like we're going to get some reaction towards this VWAP now. So keep our eyes on it tight. Here comes that VWAP tap. Want to see a rejection of this price again. Got to see the sellers continuing to step in here at this price. Opening print daily price is going to be our indicator. We did tap into those previous pre-market lows, so buyers could be loading here. But I really want to see a defense of these VWAP second time. Decent reaction, bids being entered. We're at a battle spot. Stops are going to have to be above the VWAP here, even though it sucks. Sell 515 stops. Want to see a rejection of this VWAP if we're going to be correct. Don't want to see a swing price to these 27s.
Stop filled.
Unreal, NASDAQ. Unreal. The two trades that we fucking get missed on are perfect. Now we come right back up into the price. Gosh, man. Yeah, now you're going to reject it, huh? It's just absolutely spectacular. Spectacular out of the NASDAQ today. Wait to see the 500 sweep and see if the buyer's momentum back to the 525s. If the buyers step in, it's for the shorts, it's too late for me. I like that analysis, Amin. Wait for that sniper entry. We missed our sniper entry twice, Pat. You feel me? 526s and then this 20 fucking threes. And now price is exactly rejecting VWAP. Just had to find a volume pump to stop us out. Good. Good, 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 good. Amin says the 500s and then a sweep to the 525. That's pretty low. If we hold the 611, we should see some more downside. I like it, Pat. We'll see. We'll see. My word. That was super frustrating. Wow. Wow, NASDAQ. And now we need to make another extra 16 on top of the day. So I need to make fucking... Oh, my God. We missed our two trades within minutes that would have delivered us to our full TP. And then I get filled on something that immediately rejects just to go fucking right back to balance. Definitely. I appreciate it, Poppy. We got this. Sweep it all off. My God, the NASDAQ can trick you sometimes. What an awful, awful price rejection of that fucking move, man. Well, we be patient. We have news dropping in 1 minute as well as our 15-minute range will be solidified. So let's see what we get here for an actual setup. Yeah, oh yeah, you're going to reject. You're going to reject VWAP. You just found a little bit of momentum through it. It's incredible. We'd be literally profitable on our fucking trade, but just got swept through. Should have been... Oh my God, man. Tricky days, boys. Tricky days, family. Can you feel it? Can you feel the Friday fun? The funky fun on a Friday? The free money Friday? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. All we got to do is find a good spot now. I need a little bit extra points after that loss. Super frustrating. Here comes volume. Do we hold the VWAP or reject it? Holding. Rejecting. Holy volume. Great news. Indecisive market. I think sellers possibly. Another rejection of these 40s. See this candle closure. Be patient for the closure. Wait to see what the candle does at close. EMA on the hourly time frame, push back inside of it. So I'd like to see one more test of it before a rejection. Overall, the shorts feel like they're loading here. Here comes another EMA tap. Do we get the hold of the VWAP? Or are we going to reject this price all over again? Kind of feel like we're going to reject these 40s. But longs might be stepping in. NASDAQ. Tricky. 650 is premium tie. Yeah, the 650s is where I was initially looking for that position. Got rejected at the 52s instead of the 56s. I was trying to be on the outside. Coming back into the VWAP now and the EMA. Still stuck at 50% of the day. It's a little bit choppy this morning, guys, so be cautious. Below the VWAP here for a second rejection is pretty bearish. We have an imbalance creating down here. Sellers are kind of loading up. Oh my good gracious. Another strong rejection of that price, guys. Coming back in towards this pre-market low price. Bids kind of loaded and rejected. We close below these 84s. I'm going to like it for some short continuation. It's a choppy range. NASDAQ did hold the VWAP though. Same short that we took initially, guys, when price rejected up to that stop. So I'm taking the same setup off an EMA retest, this previous swing high. Want to see us taking out the bottom of the 15-minute lows now. Can I get a fill? Literally taking the exact same position here at the 600s. Except it's just going to fucking... It's not going to let me in, huh? Little tap and go with the sixes. Teasing an entry. Maybe, maybe not. Same position. Rejection of this previous swing high. My goodness gracious. Like, you can't make it up today. Missing all my fills. Looking for the 400s. Yeah, I want to see the sells too. I'm missing all the fills that matter, and when it doesn't matter, it's filling us. Unreal. Now I have to front run this a fucking couple more points, I think. It's just going to go now. Unreal. If we see a reaction there, I would take another sell attempt. Definitely, Pat. Come on, NQ. Everyone keep smashing that like button. 30 likes is the goal as we are strong family. Taparoonie and cheese, Pat. Let's go work. I love the support as always, family. 30 likes is our goal, family. Can we get to our goal? Got to front run a little bit faster to these 99s. Give me a taparoonie and cheese. A little taparoonie and biscuits, Nazi. Come on, you're teasing us today. Go and touch my price. When I'm not like needing a fill, it's not giving it to us. You can't make this shit up right now. Look at it. Touch my price again. Oh my days. Can't make this shit up. And now it's just gonna get disgusting volume through, huh? Finally got our tapped in there. Shorting the exact same short we had previously. Looking to see the bottom of the 15-minute range break. We got a rejection of the VWAP twice now. Overall, I feel the direction to the sell side. Gonna have to have our stops up above VWAP again. Don't want to see another flash nasty to go get us. Can we get the sellers to start taking this towards the lows now? Finally got tapped in. Can we get some reactions? Nice little bear flag forming. Want to see rejection of this EMA continuously. Start heading towards the new lows here. I'm actually going to put my stop a little bit higher above this swing high here. Oh, NASDAQ. We could get some nasty volume against us. Man. Here comes the VWAP.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Holy days. I'm just not feeling it right now, guys. Just not feeling it right now. This is frustrating. Like, what the fuck is it doing? Incredible. The second we're getting in every time. And now look, every single time rejecting below our price. Like, seriously. Like, wow. Oh my gosh. Come on, Enki, give up the 400s. Maybe we're printing to the buys. I mean, we're just a second attempt down towards those previous lows. Found some more support. Creating a bull flag structure here. If the sellers can't do it, maybe the buyers are trying. It's just every time we're getting tapped out, price is rejecting just right after us. Brush it off. These are evals. They don't matter. Choppy price action. Definitely choppy, Matrix. Very choppy. And you're right, Pat. They don't matter, King. Just annoying. We missed our 2 trades in the morning that were going to perfectly be finished for us. 256s. No, it rejected the 252s. Goes all the way down. Then I get another attempt. It literally touches my price. Doesn't fill. The next candle would have filled us for a full exit. So I'm just annoyed that we have 2 fucking trades that would have been perfect. Done for the day. 120 points. 60 on both. Neither of them get filled by literally ticks. And then this happens on the other 2. Like, it's just... Trying to hold this VWAP. Can we break through the trend line? We're holding above the 50% of the 15-minute range. Only market's been open for 23 minutes. God. Like, as if this 23 one is really triggering. It literally touched our price. Would not give us our fill. Yo, weird market. Yeah, weird market, Max. I just can't even. Missed 2 entries. Not even missed. Second one was worse. First one I missed. I should have been closer to the 50s instead of the 56s. Second one, I was right there. NASDAQ just said no. No, sir. No, sir. Let's see what we do with this trend line. Do we start finding volume through it now? Start breaking toward the top of the 15-minute range. If we start holding through here, we can be looking for possibly the highs. Right now, we're just kind of going sideways. I feel you. I had a 590 long looking for a hold and 40 points back up, and now would have been done. Wicked my stop loss, so I'm red. Right there with me. Right there with me, Corey. All we can do is find another opportunity. Make it happen. Just frustrating. 2 fucking trades back to back, and then we do get filled in 2, and this is the reaction. A quick spike against us, and then we go right back into profit. Like, it's just killer. It's just killer. You know what I mean? Tricky, tricky, knowing bad. But we'll be all right. We'll bounce back. We'll survive. Just another day in the markets. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. It's a free money Friday. Vibes need to be immaculate. You know what I mean? We're about to be on the weekend mode. No reason to stress. See what happens. Give yourself some grades. It's definitely hard to show up on stream and trade every day. On choppy days, most good traders won't even trade. You showing up and pushing through, taking it on the chin every day. Hey, let's go, Pat. You're the man, King. Truly, you're the man, brother. It means a lot right there. We tapped 600, and I'm trying it again, LOL. Trying again, long, quick scalp. We tap 6s. You want to see a long in the 6s? I feel like that's not bad. We're starting to break through the top of the 15-minute range right now, Corey. Trend line's breaking through the VWAP. Found some support at the pre-market lows, so I like it for holding here. Appreciate you, Apex Gaming. What up, King? There's a sweep of the 15-minute high right there, guys. Nasdaq's starting to push through this trend line on the minute and on the hourly. If we get this to hold above, we can look for the other side. If we start rejecting this price, kind of like that, a little bit of a rejection at those 50s all over again. Still feels like we could be in a choppy price. That 56s got filled, which was my initial entry option. We just got to be more patient now. I don't have the drawdown to be swinging like I want to swing for, sadly. This is just insane right now. My word. Back into the VWAP. Back into the bottom of the trend line. I feel like you could maybe take this long at the VWAP tap, but I don't like that rejection of the 15-minute high swing. Don't like that rejection at that 15-minute high swing there. Not a fan of that. The 650 balance, damn. Yeah, very balanced. That's a nice wick, though, from the longs to hold. Kind of want to try these 50 shorts. I just can't really afford it. I have to have my stops above this next swing high. I'm going to try it. Have my stops above this swing high.
Order filled.
Risking 9 points here. Longs kind of feel like they're in right now, but I like the rejection of that 15-minute price at the 650s again. Another buying wick, though, kind of indicates maybe not. We'll see, though. Yeah, I don't like that reaction. I want to see our price be the resistance at the top of the range here. I want to see our price be the resistance at the top of the range here. If this holds, we're definitely going to take this 10-point stop. Yeah, I think we're dead on this one. I think we're looking for the longs at this point, and I'm on the wrong side. We'll see if we can get a rejection of this 15-minute range. Trying to tab back into it. We got to see a closure, though. This doesn't feel as stellar as it needs to. Need to see a big black and a no wick, you know what I mean? That's what we need to see at these 50s. Got to get on the other side of it. The 650s hold. We're going to the upside. And 650s hold. We're going to the upside. God, man, I just fucking can't right now, dude. I still am so annoyed at the initial shorts. We shouldn't be trading. We should have been done in the first couple minutes. Fuck, man. So annoying. So annoying. Now do we punch or sweep and go back? The 650 balance. Yo, my boy Pat, you trading today? Look at the volume coming in, finally. Here come the 700s, family. I can take that. Shake it off, King. No need to beat yourself up. I'm just frustrated, man. 2 perfect entries in the initial spot. Neither of them get filled. And then the next 3 that we take are just butchered. And it's just so frustrating. We were crushing. We were doing well. And now it's just like irritating. Still doing well, but man, it's just, oh, NASDAQ. Why do it like that? It's okay, King. We all know Friday is shitty price action, yet here we are. We're swinging and dying together, Matrix. Let's go. Hey, we're not out of the woods. We got 700 points before we're out of the money, so still have an opportunity. Where did we just get to with that push? The 690s. Where is that in relation to previous day's swing? Kind of found some resistance here. The next swing is at the 720s. So interesting. Interesting. We'll see what happens. Nah, bro. Check your analysis again. You traded inside the zone, not when broke out. Motus Mal Sheriff. Welcome in, King. Yeah, I mean, the first two trades were well within my setups. Just didn't get a fill. But the second one here, I was trying to see a rejection top of the range. So, King, how goes it in this shit price action? You know what I mean, newbie? God. I had an order at 56. Price rejected at 52s. Would have been full TP. Price comes back up into the VWAP. I have an order at 23.50. It taps 23.50. Doesn't fill us. None of them would have full TP. So then I try short again. Take a loss. Try short again. Take a loss. Try this one. Take a loss. So the two that I needed to fill, no luck. And the one that I didn't, yeah. What's up, bro? Good morning. How we doing today? Not the best, James, but fucking doing all right, King. We're here. We're showing up. We're doing it. I ignored when you shorted, and now it's why you calling me newbie. I'm not calling you newbie. Crypto's student. Her name is Newbie Motus. That's her other name. I know her from Newbie. Motus. I'm glad you longed where I shorted, though, King. Make that money. Make that monies, brother. Make all the monies, King. I almost got cooked, but caught that long around 600. Great entry. Great entry, newbie. Great entry, newbie. Hey, TLR, I'm just on paper for today. Another month till I can seriously load on some evals and trade aggressively. Didn't have a clear analysis this morning like yesterday, so no trades. What about you, bro? Let's go. Okay, no problem. Sorry for the misunderstanding. No worries, King. No worries, King. Glad you took that long. Yeah, bro, you got this. That's why we all here. We know it. Let's go, James. W support for real. Yo, family, I want to strangle the NASDAQ today, but I can't. So how about you guys strangle that like button for me? Show me some love. Let's get to that 30 like goal. Yesterday was the only day we fell short of that goal by a little bit. So smash the like button. Let's get to that 30 today. Pick me up a little bit. Run into next week with some momentum. Feels like we're going to fucking need it. So I appreciate y'all. We all kings. Thank you, bro. Of course, Modus. We all kings for sure. All kings and queens. NASDAQ looks like we're pushing to the highs here. Still inside of the range, but we did get the breakout, so I don't mind it. Reaching. Volume is coming in. We're reaching. Sweeping. Sweeping and reaching. I want to long from the 525, but price don't get there, so I step in at 650s. You got in at the 50s. What an entry. I love it. I mean, it's tough to get in that spot. So, bro, this shit is so stupid. I go short, and now this shit is going up. 3 times that happened to me, Pobby. I missed 1 short, 2 shorts. That would have paid, and then I get filled on the next 3 that kill me. It's trading, baby. It's trading. We can only do so much. We do our best. Got to keep the mindset right, though. I almost lost it there for a minute. I was starting to tilt, but I feel better. We'll be all right. By the way, Thu economy. Thu economy, what do you mean, Modus? Second red day in a row on fundeds. Sorry to hear it, Dave. Guys, also, truly I want you guys to take a second and realize this. This month, historically, right? So I've only been trading for like, actively every day for about 2 years. And prior to that, I have a couple years of experience. So 3 to 4 years of experience. This is traditionally or historically one of the hardest fucking months we've ever had, right? Because it's January, so there's tax relief, people closing positions in December, reopening positions in January for the new year. Obviously, all the economic things going on, us taking out foreign policies with Greenland and Venezuela, tariffs. Like, this is truly one of the hardest conditions to trade in that I've seen. So offer you guys yourself some grace. You're doing well. You're showing up every day. And all we can do is take the experience, take the lessons. Losers are better teachers than winners anyway. So keep it going. We're doing the right things, family. We are resistance. If no down for me, I'm cooked. We're in a resistance. At this previous 720s, I like the same spot. I like the same spot, Spitzy. I hope it plays out for you, King. I'm looking for the last setup. I have to snipe this last one to try to save these accounts. Recovered some of the loss, but still red. Hey, I'm glad you recovered some of it, Dave. That's what we do, King. LOL. Still all up as the dollar is down. All up as the dollar is down because America dying. Why you look at the short after we drop at London session? Why you look at the short after we dropped all London session? Well, because of the rejection of this trend line on the hourly time frame, Amy, we were stuck below this previous swing high, and I kind of wanted to see if we were going to stay inside of this rejection. If you see this hourly trend that we were creating, right? And then we pushed up yesterday, tried to push through, rejected, tried to push through again, and rejected again overnight. So this was my attempt for New York session. That was my analysis. It didn't work out this time, but that's what I was seeing. That's what I wanted. I'm up 198 right now, but not sure if I should keep trading and try to make some more, since I won't be able to trade next week to do a bunch of meetings at work. Only if it's a beautiful setup, TLR. Don't trade just to try to make some more. But if it's a nice setup, King, then yeah, maybe you can just be patient. Maybe we can find some money together. But right now, I wouldn't trade just to try to make some more. Exactly. Read what I sent you, please. And please journal. Read what I sent you, please. I think I did, King. And please journal. Call it a day, bro. It's Friday. Red folder. Just leave it. You must be new here, King. We trade till the mark. We trade till 11. We make it happen. We try our best. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We hang our head on it. We learn from our lessons. We learn from our losses and carry on next week. Looking to short scalp around the 800 to 1s to 817s. Hopefully it gets there. Go break even. I don't even want profits. I don't even want the profits. Go break even then. Feeling like we're going to hold this. NASDAQ turned at the 720s, coming into the 700s again in this EMA. In the end, it's just the EMA. We'll see what the reaction is here. I wouldn't mind a retest towards this overnight this 15-minute high. VWAP is curling through our prices pretty nicely now, indicating continuation to the long side. Maybe we can catch a part of it. Maybe we can catch a little bit of the love, you know what I mean? Love the mentality. In the end, it's consistency. Consistency all the way. Boy, Ty trades until he snorts coke off a hooker or bust. Bobby gets it. We're here for the money or nothing. Put me in a grave. Have you ever considered incorporating order flow? NC Trades. Welcome in, King. I haven't seen you in a while. Appreciate you for stopping by. Order flow. I guess I don't exactly. I'd have to. What do you exactly mean by order flow? All love, all respect. Your green level is my TP. That is high of day right there. So the green is high of day, red is low of day. So if you're looking for a high day sweep, I hope it hits for you, King. It's feeling like we're heading in that direction. Something like bookmap or a footprint chart. Yeah, I mean, I used to trade when I first started trading. Excuse me. When I first started trading, I was using, I enjoyed bookmap. But then I just, as I got a little bit more experience, I kind of just felt like it's against my, it's just a little bit noisy. So you know what I mean? Because I ended up just getting like a little attracted to it. Like I'd be looking for it for too much. So I guess I could use it for confirmation. I haven't used it since I've been a disciplined trader. So it'd be interesting to see now. But yeah, I haven't messed with it a lot lately. So we'll see what happens. But footprint charts, I've seen a lot of people with success with them. Again, it's a whole new thing to learn, right? A whole new strategy, a whole new indicator. So I haven't messed with it a lot, but could be interesting to see. Maybe I could give it a try here. Elevated Awakenings, everyone. Ria Zeal, Elevated Awakenings. I love it. Good morning, King. Welcome in. Hope you're feeling great. What VWAP source do you use? Santiago, it should be just the traditional VWAP here with normal settings. Default. Should be the pretty basic one with default settings there. And Friday Blessings, in fact, Ria Zeal. Welcome in, King. You could have just turned off the sounds that helped me with the footprint and bookmap. I didn't even know they had sounds. Brother, we getting cooked. We're getting cooked today, probably. But that's just another day, bub. Be patient. NASDAQ's holding the CMA right now. Send in the military. Go get them. Delta isn't even that green, and we have piss poor volume for it to be this early in the market. I think I'm done. Yeah, I like that analysis, newbie. This is rough. Truly, this is rough. That's why it's like, why couldn't I just be done in the first couple minutes when I got my price tapped but not filled? Why, NASDAQ? Why? Who, what, where, when, and why? That's the question, Saucy. That's the things that we're trying to figure out. I had my price at the 50s at 23.50, and it did not fill me. and then I had it, and then it didn't, and then these did fill me, and then, oh, God. He means too much going on by too much noise out, not sounds. Oh, I got you. Too noisy, yeah. Yeah, no, that makes a lot of sense. I was like, sounds, I didn't even know they had sounds. Love your environment here, bro. Love the energy. Best wishes and hope we meet again soon. All love, peace. Take it easy, Montez. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you for stopping by, sharing your energy with us as well, King. Up 151. I'm going to lock it out. It's Friday. It is, in fact, Free Money Friday. GPT, take that money and run, King. I'm proud of you for getting out of there. Someone tell that motherfucker to send in the military. I need it. Please. My mom's kind of homeless. I need this. Come on. For the Pobby. Big blacks, no wicks. Don't go take out high a day now. The big bubbles always got me in impulsive trades, but I've found some success using a footprint and volume profile. Still struggle with holding winners longer, though. Yeah, that's what I mean. They kind of tricked me into some trades as well, but I wasn't as disciplined at that time, so I'd be interested to see now. But holding winners, that's always going to be a fun one to get better at, King. And really, you get better at that by just experience. You see your price play out enough times, and you get burned enough times taking off price trades too early when it go full delivery to TP. So more time, NC trades, you'll get there. You'll start holding those winners. Also, the bubble map can kind of help you that too, because you see the bigger liquidity at outside levels. So last 2 days is hard to even scalp 20 points. No follow through. It's incredibly tough, Dave. It truly is. Here's a sub. Let's go, Montez. Appreciate you for joining the family, King. Last tip, don't trade bubbles, trade levels. Trade levels, not bubbles. I like it. I am a level trader as well. That's why I don't really trade with the heat map. I just kind of like to find supply and demand spots and try to take trades off those. This feels like we're going to rip up to these high a day here. Classic bull flag setup coming. Where's the next support level to get involved with it? Maybe these 670s. I wouldn't mind a 670 tap, but if we come down to there, I might just look for the top of the 15. So interesting. Here comes. I'm going to try it with one contract. See if we can build up some liquidity again. Or do we just touch into the 75s? You're not going to come get me at the 70s, are you? Are you, NASDAQ? Where do we just turn at? The 720s? Spitzy, it's saving you, buddy. We're staying in your supply zone, King. Makes me feel like we're going to come down to the top of this 15-minute range. Y'all think this comes back to the 70s for long? TLR. My man. Let's go, baby. Let's see it play out. Or at least take me out. Wait, what are you looking for, Pobby? I thought you were short. Drop the likes, chat. 11 more. Let's go, family. Look. Today was a mental day, right? I missed my 2 entries. Didn't get filled, kind of tilted a little bit, but now we're recollecting. So this is another day, baby. It's free money Friday. Great opportunities. Let's smash that like button. Try to get to that 30 like goal. Yesterday we fell just a little bit short. So let's go ahead and find some value. I wanna beat this NASDAQ up today, but y'all can just beat up the like button for me instead. That'd be incredible. If everyone here watching showed some love, we could hit our goal. No tilt 2026. Come on, Pat. That's what we need to hear, King. We just avoided the 70s TLR. We might get another opportunity down here if we reject this EMA, but for the most part, it's looking a little bit like we're left on the loan side. A little bit left on the low side here. You know what I mean? Want to be involved, but it feels like not really. Not today. This shit bouncing off my break even like a corn star. Pablo. It's getting me mad. Oh my god. Making me mad too, mate. This had a bad day for me. About leaving me a sour taste in my mouth. You know what I mean? Not pleasant, not at all. It's quite nasty. Fucking dumb. Big blacks, no wicks. Sell. Let's go, Pablo. I'm here with you, King. I feel your frustration. But we got to keep that at bay, right? Take deep breaths. As a family, right? Everybody. 2 of them. Ready? All we can do is read the charts, do our best, take good trades, keep our rules, stay disciplined. Let's hit this trades. Let's do our best. Told you this volume. There's an absolute absorption on both sides, then random volume spikes. Using footprint today might put you in the oven as well. Completely stale volume and then aggressive volume spikes. What is that? Killing me. Killing me. And every single time I'm in the low volume, the spikes against me just flash my TP, my stop loss. Like, painful, tricky, bad NASDAQ. Sour, gross, nasty. You know what I mean? Ew. Ew. Looking for a potential try at these 70s. Another rejection at that price. VWAP is still curling pretty aggressive now. Almost just got flashed into our bid. This one feels a little scary. Come get us, NASDAQ. If you're going to do it and do it nicely. You know what I mean? Bull flag here, 5 minutes. Again, yeah, I see it. I'm feeling it. That's why I'm trying to take an entry at the longs here. I have an order for one contract at the 670s. If you wanted to be really, really crazy, I'd put an order for the top of the 15-minute range at the 656s or so with 3 contracts. But I can't afford too much here. I see maybe hit 800 or reject the 750, 70, 75, then go back to 650. 750, 775, maybe the 8s, and then rejection back to the 650. I mean, I like that analysis. I do, I mean. Excuse me, mamma mia. Mamma mia. Think I better keep prepping for this winter storm and leave NQ to her tantrums today. She cursed me out already this morning, lol. Hey, take care of yourself, newbie. Seriously, guys, actually, real talk. If you guys are anywhere in that, like, Midwestern region where that ice storm is coming, I am actually in the north where we're a little bit more protected. We're just going to be getting some snow. But if you guys are not prepared and not fully taking it serious, please take it serious. It's going to be wild. You're going to be losing power for a couple days. Make sure you're stocked up on food. Make sure you have things just to keep yourself warm. Get a generator. Do whatever you got to do. But for real, it's going to get wild. It's going to be a pretty generational ice storm coming. So just take it serious. Protect yourselves. I don't want anything crazy to happen to you guys. And yeah, I'm outside of it. We're going to be just mostly getting snow from it. But if you guys are in that region, take care of yourselves. No way she does us like this. Give us a fill. I know, TLR. What are you doing, Queen? What are you doing to me? You hate me. You hate me. She hates us today. That's what I'm looking for too, but I don't like the spikes and dumps in volume. We're all looking at it, which makes me think, uh-oh. Oh, damn, I didn't know. Yeah, Dave, you went to the Philippines at the right time, King. We had some nasty weather coming in, and it's going to be hitting like a lot of that Midwest or the, I don't even know. I can't even describe exactly where it is. It's like south, mid-south of the fucking country, and then going to be running up to the East Coast. It's going to be wild. It's going to be cold. It's going to be icy. 3 inches of ice is predicted. Freezing rain. It's going to be taking down all power lines. You will be losing power for a couple of days. So again, stock up on food. Get yourself some generators. Make sure you can try to survive it. It's going to be real. Don't underestimate it. But here we go. Another flash price of these 70s. NASDAQ. Now it feels gross, guys. It feels like once we do get filled, oh my good days, we're going to get a nasty volume spike away from us. Get yourself a BBW for the winter and stay safe. Stay safe. Man, we love you, Bobby. We need the energy, King. Even on days like today, you can make us laugh. Let's go. I hope everyone will be safe. Take care. Europe should be safe since Trump left Switzerland already yesterday. Richner. Yeah, you guys should be safe over there. Appreciate you for showing love, though. Make sure I load up on protein cookies and Latinas. Man, that's a combination, huh, Pat? Keep yourself confident with that. Hey, guys, we wanted the 70s. How about the 73s? That's 3 times today that we're getting fucked. Okay? 3 different times today that I'm barely getting filled when I want it and not getting filled when I don't. Fuck. Oh, NASDAQ. You know what I mean? Do you feel what I'm saying? God. I just want to beat it up. Somebody beat up the like. Please, beat this shit out of the like button for me today, guys. I need it. I need to see some love. We fell just short of our 30 like goal yesterday, and I missed this trade by 4 points. I missed this trade by 0 ticks. It touched my price, and we missed this one by 3 points. So please, please, NASDAQ. Laugh my ass off. Someone said Pablo's keyboard before he gets me divorced. My wife is watching this, and I will think I'm mail ordering hookers in here. Somebody take that man. Let's go, newbie. Someone confiscate that man's keyboard. Diabolical. Screw uncool. Let's full port silver, lol. You know what, dude? I don't even hate it. These accounts are pretty much butter anyway. Let's just full port and silver. Oh my days. Oh my days, silver. Disgusting volume. I'll take a contract here. Safer would be up towards this price. Anything below this EMA doesn't look too shabby. Kind of want to short these 99 650s. Look what y'all are doing to me. Look what y'all are doing to me. Almost made me just straight up gamble out of here. Wow, NASDAQ. Wow, NASDAQ. Bruh, no way I'm down 800 on 6 MNQ. Pobby, I'm sorry, King. Oh my God, please just dump. Did we hit 800s? We are avoiding it. We're at 756s right now, Amin. So your analysis is still clean. We get a 750 sweep, which is now this overnight high. All this flat prices just got taken out. So if we reject these and come back into the 20, or come back down toward the 7s, you could maybe take an attempt at the 25s. But right now, the longs are stepping in. Buy it. Do not fade that trend. I'm talking about silver or I long the bull flag breakout, green on the day, going into the weekend. Badminton, beach, sauna with friends. Can't wait. Dave, what a stellar weekend planned, King. Badminton, beach, and sauna, man. Enjoy all of that. Get some good food for me, too. Hug somebody you love if you're lucky enough to have people. If not, get you some good people. Let's fucking go, Dave. W's for Dave. Showing mad love. Hug somebody y'all love this weekend. Enjoy the time with the people that we do it for. We're doing this for our families. We're doing this for freedom. So spend time with them. Appreciate them. I actually had a big weekend plan to go see my family down in, we had a wrestling meet. A lot of my family wrestles, the younger kids, and we were all meeting up, but might not be doing that because of the storm. So a little unlucky, but oh well. Good morning, champ. Sobs, we need your energy today, King. NASDAQ is beating the shit out of us. I had a short order at 656, okay? Price came to 652, would have been full TP. All right. I load back up at VWAP with a 2350 order. Price hits 2350, doesn't fill us. Full TP. All right. Take a short, instant stop loss, rejection, back into the price. Would have been, immediately rejected us. Take a stop. Okay. Take another short at the same price. Price pushes through. Okay. And then this here takes a little loss. I'm fine with that. It's normal. Yeah, and then we were looking for the 70s. Price comes to the 73s and then rips up here. So, I just can't with this motherfucker. I just can't with this mofo. Woke up yesterday 8 a.m. Had no internet all day till like 2 p.m. Sorry I missed the live. No worries, King. Sucks to hear that, though. Yo, if you guys are in, like I said, so I'm not sure. I don't remember. Be careful where you're at, King. We're supposed to get some gnarly storms. I think Florida's out of it, though. I think you're all right. But you're up in, I think a couple places. We're getting some gnarly ice storms, so make sure you guys are protected. Don Dula, what's good, Tyler? What's good, King? Welcome in. Appreciate you for being here, showing love, stopping by. Hope you're doing well on these charts. Hope you are not getting chopped up like I did. This is my first trade on the new account since losing 2 XFAs. Feels bad. I need this to dump to the 678s. Ain't nothing happening. I don't know, though. Right now, we're holding for sure. We pushed through these previous highs, Pobby, but hey, anything can happen, King. Don't necessarily hold it to the dump. 50 points to 800. Did we hit or go back to 650 now? I don't know. That 800 will be a giant price. We'll see what happens there. I went from net green this month. Now I'm back. 1.5K real money. Take it easy, bud. Don't let it get into your head. Matrix, way to share that fucking value. Share love. Like I said, guys, I'm down. What am I down? 3,100 real dollars this month after being up most points for a lot of the month. Blew a lot of combines, 3 sets of combines this year. Profitable 2024, profitable 2025. So far, we are unprofitable for 2026. So we get to have the journey to fight it back as a team, do it all over again. Slow but steady. Keep your confidence high. Know that probability will play out. The market goes in cycles and you will be fine. Just got to keep the confidence, family. Entered long, hit previous day highs. I thought it would. Passed my first 50K account on my first try. Couldn't be happier. Sam Bowen, congratulations, King. Welcome in. Proud of you. Dude, what a stellar long to previous day high and get your first account pass is exceptional. Be proud of yourself. Wow, now 1K down. Like, bruh. Yeah, Poppy, it's tough. We're coming back down now. We're rejecting these 630s at the moment. Coming back into this EMA. Don't necessarily know if we're going to hold or reverse, but we are coming back into the EMA there. Yeah, we're getting like 15 inches of snow in Boston, LOL. Yeah, I think Boston, you're getting snow. I don't think you're getting too much ice, though. I'm trying to remember the map in my mind, but I think you're going to be, I think you're all right where you're at. A lot of the ice is coming up in like this, it's coming up through like Georgia, like Louisiana, a couple spots like that. But you're just going to be dumped on, brother. You're getting dumped on with the snow. We're going to get a little bit of it, but ironically, the north states are getting like a little bit less. 1,800 down for the day. I'm locked out. Crazy grind market. What a wild market, Maxi. Appreciate you for stopping by, showing love though, dude. Keeping us involved. I just want break even. Yeah, but don't think like that, Pobby. Bad day for me also mentally. Bad day for me mentally, and that's fine, Kings. We're not every day we're going to be perfect. We are professionals dealing with a high stressful environment. We can only do our best, and that's the best part about it, is it's a fun journey for self-development. I'm just tickled, and I just feel a little bit tickled that the NASDAQ treated me the way she did today. You know, 4-point miss, tapping my price, not filling me, whatever. I could take the losses, and then a 3-point miss, and it's just like, you hate me. That's what it feels like. She hates us. Thinking of a long around the 25s. I don't mind that TLR. Actually, now that we're so distended, I don't know. I don't know, King. Stay confident, phase, and don't hold losers. You got this, bro. Took my biggest payout since starting yesterday. Oh! Sobs! Took his biggest payout since his trading journey started. Let's fucking go. W's in the chat for the Sob man. Oh, baby. Love to see it, King. What do you use to copy trade on Tradeify? I have 2 Lucid Pros I want to copy. Don Dula, absolutely. So it's actually right up here, right? I might set up a video. I know a lot of people have been asking about this, but yeah, come up into this little section up here. Go to manage groups, and then you can name a little group. So I would just do like, you know, Lucid accounts, whatever, and hit Lucids. And then once you have the Lucid group, you can just drag the accounts over that you want to have in here, and then just once they're dragged in, so I'm actually going to take it off. I have my 150K group on, right? So once you have the group created, click on the group and then just click on one of the accounts that's in the group, and then it's automatically going to be copy trading. Learn from the input you're getting. Front run your couple points for sure, Pat. Yeah, I know, you're right, King. W's, GPT, W's max. Let's go, bro. I don't know what to do. I want this to work, but no matter if I do or NQ or MNQ, can't get a rip. Yeah, just patience, Pobby. You know what it is, brother. It's a long journey. W subs, Matrix showing love, Wildflower showing love, Pat, everybody. Let's go. I love it. So proud of you, King. Love seeing a trader do well. You've earned it, King. You're here every day, putting up the work, hitting your base hits, following your strategy, getting in, getting out, being disciplined, man. It's just great to see. Truly, that's a success story right there. Let's fucking go, everybody. That right there is inspiration. That right there is what we do this for. Trading for freedom. Doing this shit. I love it. Let's go, Sobs. Do you have another trading screen that you look at, or are you only on the one we see in this live? Yeah, this is my only one. Have my hourly up. Bam. Have my minute up. And then my other chart is for the stream. Or my other screen, I mean. Damn. I love it. The reason I do that also, Vines, is just for simplicity, right? I like to have things super simple. As y'all can kind of tell from my charts and everything, I like to just reduce noise, give you the best chance of success. Did anyone else wake up to a free combine from Top Step? It's interesting, Sav, because I think maybe a couple people. I don't have Top Step anymore, but I think a couple people. Let's go, Sav. Big W. In fact, big W. Sobs, Matrix got a free XFA too. Top Step giving out free XFAs nowadays, huh? What's a player got to do to get involved in that? You know what I mean? Yeah, I got 6 for free. Damn. They're just handing them out. Maybe that's why Brett had those couple free ones there. Saucy, if you're still here, you hearing that? 1 for my 150s and 5 for my 550s. Wow. Free money Friday. We love a free Top Step reset. This feels like we're going to rip to the 800s here, family. It just does. It feels like we're going to get some extension. But if we continue to reject this high, I wouldn't mind it. Edgar says he got 12 for the 150K's. Oh my God. They're just handing out free resets, free dollars, free money Friday. Yes, based on the email from CO, it's from the outage. They're doing their best. See, I mean, that's the thing about Top Step. They really do their best to try to make it make sense. I mean, they know that at the end of the day, they can hand out a bunch of accounts, and they're still probably going to be okay as a company. So, the people that were getting messed up by those outages earned those free resets, no doubt about it. But it's still a little bit bullshit. A little bit bullshit. Why they give me a combine and not my XFA bag? Exactly. That's what I mean. Like, they just kind of they put like a little Band-Aid over a big wound. You know what I mean? It's like, we need a little bit more than that, but I get it. I got 0 LOL. Damn, Pobby. Sorry, King. Top Step always makes it right. They really do. They do their best for that. Family, there's 35 people watching, being a part of this incredible community on a nice Friday like this. Thank you for spending the morning. Thank you for being a part of this community. Today wasn't our best day, but we pick each other up. We head in. 3 trades that we just got missed on that would have been big dollars. But instead, we're here struggling. So if you guys are here showing some love, hit the like button. Truly means a lot. Get to our 30 like goal and roll into the weekend with some momentum. Right? At the end of the day, we're doing this for our freedom. So enjoy the weekend off, and we can see what we can do here with it. See what we can do with it. Welcome in California Waterscapes. Appreciate you. Here comes the sweep of the highs now into the 670s, 770s. Maybe these 800s get fired. Eight more likes, guys. If you're watching, make sure you smash that button. 8 likes, family. There's 35 people watching. Everybody hit that button. We can hit to our goal. Appreciate y'all for showing love. Appreciate your constant positivity. Hey, Don Dula. Appreciate your support, King. Thanks for being a part of the community. We're doing it as a community, as a family, because trading is boring and hard as a solo person. So having some people that like-minded, that pick you up, that think like you do, this is what we do it for. Well, I'm cooked. Bobby, you are getting cooked right now, King. It's a good lesson for you, though, brother. Don't always hold have a stop loss, you know what I mean? Be willing to have a stop loss. I mean, we're through all liquidity right now. High a day, previous high a day. A lot of reasons to not be in this anymore after that continuation. Although I can understand, because at some point you want to find balance, but I'm done for the month. No, sir. No, sir. Keep loading back up, brother. Take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow, King. Like I'm saying, today was a good lesson to have it. You have to have a stop loss. I know it hurts. I know this loss hurts, and I don't want to kick you while you're down, but it's a really good lesson. Making 100 to 300 a day seems very reasonable. Trying micros in or 2 accounts a day. This will be my goal this year. Hard, but slightly less stressful. Hard, but definitely less stressful. I believe in it, GPT. Let's go, King. Not easy, but that's the fun part. This journey is not easy, but it's worth enduring. We're here for the long haul. We're trading for freedom. We're not doing it for the short-term success. We're here for the long-term opportunity to be financial providers for our family. This journey is long, hard, but worth every single second of the struggle. Take a break phase and learn from your mistakes. Make sure you reflect on what went wrong. You got this. You're a great trader. Way to pick him up, Pat. Way to pick him up and show love. He's a great trader. Just takes time, King. Also, you've been a little distracted too with, classes and everything. So offer yourself some grace. Like I just said too, guys, this is an significantly hard time to trade in these markets right now. So if you're in here showing love, showing up consistently, offer yourself that grace and be proud of the fact that you're doing the thing. Be proud of the fact that you guys are showing up, putting in the work, giving yourself the chance for financial freedom. It's all you can ask for. I try, bro. But like I really do. But man, yeah, true. That's it, Bobby. Just keep loading up, King. Like I said, our losses are our best teachers. You're doing good things, King. You're doing great things, my man. Trust. Here come the 783s, guys. The 800s have been a ginormous sell price for the last month. We ended up pushing through it now, so I'm really interested to see what happens around these 8s. I might try to take a short at the 800s, to be honest. I mean, I don't have much drawdown left in these accounts anyway, so... Might be the try. Might be these 800s. Might be the opportunity to find some sell side. We'll see what happens. What up, Tailman? Don't counter trade easily, I think. 25 points at 800. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, that's what I like to. I don't know. Once I hit negative 2K, I think I'll hang up the gloves for that trade. So far, I'm down 700 overall. Plenty of opportunity, King. And also... 2K, I'm not going to lie to you, is still a very small number, brother. It took me a long time to get profitability, and it takes a lot of money. You got to just keep willing to try. Hey, Alfie says, I don't counter trade easily, I think. Yeah, I mean, this is a risky. Definitely, Alfie. Counter trend trading is making it risky. You have a chance to lose, especially after a day like this. But I'm going to take the chance at it because of the fact that if you look at this hourly chart, so many different times these 800s have been a big support spot. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 if you count this pullback into that price. So 800s have been a ginormous resistance. Now that we're pulling up into it, I at least assume we're going to have some orders left behind that may get filled just for a rotation to the sell side, but we could get cooked on it as well. So we'll see what happens. Don't hang up the gloves. If anything, take a break, but come back. You can only lose. You can only fail if you give up. That's the thing. Real traders never quit because we know the opportunity this has to provide for our families. Real traders are inspired by the process because we're here for the direction of freedom, not the short-term success. And that's the thing. We have to hold the delusional optimism, knowing that even when the charts and the results and the money isn't lined up with the reality that we know is what we want, you have that faith and that consistency, that mindset that it's going to work out, because that determination is what really is the biggest difference. That self-belief, that internal drive to say that this is what I'm meant for, is what truly pushes you over the line, especially after shit gets hard. If you're still in a trade right now in a deep drawdown, cut it. Never hold a loser. Definitely have tight stops. Tight stops always, family. You guys have seen me a couple times lately not have my stop loss on. It's been a little bit lazy for me, so stops always. No point in cutting it if LOL, it's already dead. Might as well let it bust. At this point, I wouldn't cut it because the 800s, I want to see a rejection at the 800s. But for the most part, in the future pods, stop losses. I hear you, but feeding the bad habits are going to reinforce them. Definitely. Real traders like problem solving, numbers, patterns, puzzles, and games. Let's go. I love it, Wildflower. Self-development, struggle. All the things that we endure, we're working through. It's all just a pattern recognition game. It is a puzzle, and the NASDAQ moves like a oh, today I just want to just strangle the NASDAQ. I do. I hate it. It was frustrating. But we load back up and we do it again, family. Profitable traders cut losers quickly and add to winners. This skill is hard to learn, but it's the psychology and mental maturity that most people either don't have or don't develop. It is so much fun to be working on it too, because I'm telling you guys, when you become better at controlling yourself on the charts, I don't know what it is, but all outside of the charts, in your normal day-to-day lives, things don't shake you as much. You have way more emotional regulation on just a normal conversation. A car cutting you off doesn't bother you. You can handle yourself because you're handling yourself in a high stressful environment for your profession. This job is stress. The definition of NASDAQ, I think NASDAQ is like, aliens verbiage for just struggle and stress. But it's also incredibly profitable in providing if you can just hit it on the right mindset. And I love the fact that trading is 95% psychological and maybe 5% charts. Truly. 95% what the fuck you're thinking when you're looking at the charts, and 5% what's actually happening on the markets. Today, I'm down and I'm okay with it. We'll bounce back. I just hate the idea of being wrong when trading and knowing I'm paying the price. That's why you got to be willing to step in front of your emotions, King. Let go of the ego and sell your loser. You're in a bad trade. I call it being dead inside. No, that's similar. NASDAQ might be similar to being dead inside, yeah. That's him. Love it, King. The more mental control and resolve you have, the better you will be. Take accountability and be proud of your trading. Take some of the time for the last few weeks to review the habits are killing me in my accounts. Number one for me was daily goal, focusing now on 1 to 3 good trades on a 1K day, then reviewed all my payouts, passes and payouts. Let's go, Corey. W Insight, King. It's all about the consistency to just sit with yourself when things don't go well, review, analyze, have the analysis. I mean, some people journal. Do what you got to do to focus. What up, Deontay? What's up, King? Appreciate you for stopping by, showing love again, King. How's the trading been going? You been trying Tradeify out? Or are you still trading with Top Step? How you been rocking with you? I am back plus 500 today, 1,000 since I started my new 50K account, challenge account. Luckily, I guess this week was gross. This week was tough. Like I said, guys, offer yourself some grace. Offer yourself some grace if you've been trading. What's up, Tasha? Today's been a hard day, hard week, truly, family. So if you guys are here trading, surviving, you're doing the things. I'm proud of y'all. No cap, fuck the NASDAQ. NASDAQ means death. Just kidding. NASDAQ is opportunity. Deep breaths, meditate, journal, detach. Top Step banned me, LOL. I got the email this morning. No way, Deontay. That's crazy, King. Move on. Better prop firms out there. Try Tradeify out. Try Lucid Trading out. If you really want a fat payout, 7 figures, 8 figures, Apex. But they're a little bit harder. You have to develop a very certain strategy to trade Apex. So down so far, 1.3K. I want to see an 800 rejection. This will be my last trade. I might bust these accounts right now. We're going to go ahead and find out as a family. I'm going to put my sell order out on these 8s. I want to see a next volume spike up into these 8s, and I'm going to take a short on it. W King, everyone in here will win with the right mindset. Every single person will win in here with the right mindset and enough time. I promise you guys. Show up consistently over and over. Keep the fucking mind in the right place. Keep your confidence. Follow your strategy. Stay disciplined. Profits are right around the corner. Top Step giving my free account today. Let's go. I'm going to call you XP, but that's amazing. I know Top Step handed out a lot of free combines today because of the outages that they were experiencing, which, again, doesn't exactly make it all right because a lot of people lost some fundeds. A lot of people lost some real profits, but it's better than nothing. So they stepped up and at least tried to offer some support. So got to respect them when the respect is there. At this point, I need the military to be deployed. Pavi, come get that man. Save that man. Good morning, Bella. Welcome in, Queen. Thank you for stopping by, showing love. Truly means so much. Hope you're doing well. NASDAQ's turning at these 785s. We're going to look to see a rotation to the 800s, and that's going to be our opportunity to get in. Try to have a spot to hold and try to save these accounts. Otherwise, we're going to be loading up next week with new combines and a clear mindset, right? That's all we can do, family. Show some love if you guys haven't. I don't know how close we are to our 30 like goal, but if you guys show some love, beat up that like button for me because I can't beat up the NASDAQ today. Would mean the most. Fuibo! Welcome in, King. Hope those payouts are treating you well. Hope you're spoiling your family, man. Trading for the freedom. You're doing it for them. Proud of all the consistency you've been showing. Wish I wasn't late. Today might have been a good day to be late, King. We got struggled on these shorts, and then I got missed on I got missed on 3 beautiful entries. Had an order at the 20. Where was I at? 56s. Price turned at 52. Had a short exactly at 23.50. Price tapped it, didn't fill us, and then took 3 losses. And I had a long order at 70, and price turned at 73.50. So We're like right there, but there's no love today. I'm going to start Tradeify on Monday. Good luck, King. I think it's well worth it. Download Tradeify. Get used to Tradeify. Set up your chart. Get comfortable with them. It's going to be a little bit different than you're used to with Project X, Deontay, but it's worth it. It's once you get used to it, it feels comfortable. Same easy way to copy trade. You can make it all happen. You trade 1 or 5 at a time, typically, Deontay. 24, drop the likes, family. We're 6 likes away from our like goal. There's 30 of y'all in here. If everyone watching that hasn't hit the button, show some love. We can get over our goal. I appreciate y'all. Let's go into the week. Let's go into the weekend with some momentum. Again, I can't do anything about this NASDAQ, but y'all can do something about that like button. So let's see what we can do about it. I really do want to see an 800 pump, a little volume pump into the 800s, like an 804 short, and then find a reaction off of it. That would be ideal for me. That would be like an ideal situation. I'm going to go ahead and try it here with 15. Bink. 804 is what I want to see. Damn, Tyler, you are jacked, huh? You juicing? Juice. Only juice I take is water, brother. Water. Consistent diet. Keep showing up to the dude. The health is the same thing as the markets. Consistency compounds, right? Show up every day. Push through when things get hard. Show discipline. That's the way to do it. And then the results come with just healthy. You just make it happen. Also, sleep. Sleep good. Fuel your body. Train hard, and you're gonna grow. I'm gonna trade 1 account. I like that, Deontay. Hey, brother, I can't wait for you to get your first payout. It's a great feeling. It's a great feeling. It's a really stellar chance. I'm excited to see your journey through that process, Deontay. Laugh my ass off. He's natty, bro. He has great genetics and trains hard. I do have good genetics. I can't sleep on that. I have very good genetics. Very blessed in that department. But I also do train very hard every single day. I do not miss, and I eat very clean. It's really the simple pattern right there. Train hard, sleep good, eat well. You're going to be healthy. That's all we're doing it for. We're doing it for health. Healthy traders are profitable traders. He said he'd be doing cardio at home with Hux. I feel like that's a I don't know what Hux is, Bobby, but I think it's funny. Here we go, NASDAQ. Tapping us into our 804s possibly. Don't dirty me at these 8. Don't dirty me. Give us our fill here at these 804s. Let me try. Last chance to save these accounts, family.
Order filled.
Order filled. Can we get some support at these 804s, or are we going to lose? Let's find out as a family. Show me some selling here. Show me some selling back in the range here after these 800s finally got tapped. My first payout was on Top Step last month for 5K. Oh, so you're just going to Tradeify 1 account so you get a payout. Got you, King. Hey, be proud of yourself, Deontay. That's a big first step. Huge first step to get that payout. NASDAQ's running away from us. No bueno. No bueno. Longs are impressive today. Straight up. Longs are impressive today, guys. There's just no missing with them. There's just no missing if you're the long right now. This extension is wild to see. Anything above the 8s here, we're cooked. We got to see a rejection of these 8s pretty quickly. On a Friday, too, you would really assume people would be locking in some of these profits here, but hey, I'm paying for it. W stream, as always, work. Could you show up, show love, bro? I appreciate you, King. Natty, not natty. Patriots in 2. Patriots in 2, King. Come on, subs. One time for the guys. NASDAQ, reject these 8s for me. We'll see a little rejection of these 8s for me. It's a big spot. We should see a reaction, at least a reaction. How big of a reaction? Yeah, who knows? But I should see at least something here. I want to see another try towards that EMA. A big black through that EMA would be beautiful. Again, I want to see some people taking some profits here. Ideally. Just a little bit of money locking in. I want to see some people rotating. Yep, 1.5K in the red. I'm right there with you, Bobby. If this goes to new highs, we're busted. We're busto me gusto if these holds these 8s. Got to see a reaction. Try to get through that EMA if we want any rotation against it. Can we get some love here in the NASDAQ today? Got to find a reaction here at these 8s. Anything above, we're cooked. We're like a cookie. Smoked. Got to find a reaction. Show me a big black no wick. Get down through those 80s. Hold these 800s. I got a max payout on 5 Tradeify Flex accounts and instantly blew them. Hey, you got the money out of there, Fuibo. That's all that matters, King. Proud of you. That's really all that matters. I said fuck it and I put all my contracts. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. NASDAQ. Show me some selling back to these 8s. Otherwise, we're absolutely cookied. I don't want to be cookied. I don't want to be. Try not to reinforce the bad habits phase. Trying to help you down. Could you turn that account around and get a payout? With enough consistency and in the right mindset, definitely.
Order filled.
We did it, family. We did it. Busto me gusto. Back to combines next week. Wild. If this doesn't fucking go all the way up, I'm gonna get annoyed. This is just at any point feels like it wants to reject. Look at the low volume here. God, we're gonna get a big sell candle soon. We're gonna get some nasty sell candles soon. It's gonna be so frustrating. I just said fuck it. Hey bro, I'm back. What is popping? What's popping, Montez? Welcome in, King. It's all love. Here to help. Always pay. Shorting with you. Hold it, Matrix. I couldn't afford the drawdown, but I think this thing easily dumps here. Look at the slow volume pumping in through here. This is a big spot. I really imagine we're going to get some rotation, at least towards like the 70s, 80s. And I'm cooked. See you, gang. Be good. For me, I'll see y'all next month, and we are bust. See you guys. It's been real. Phase out. Phase. Don't be emotional. You got this shit, King. Load back up, brother. We'll see you next week. Keep that mindset correct. This is the point of trading. This is the hard part of trading. The moment where things aren't easy, where we question ourselves. Keep that mindset. Keep your confidence. Keep it going, brother. But I am sorry to hear that you busted. It is tough. I just busted with you. So you can see it's just a normal part of the process, King. Just a normal part of the process, King. NASDAQ is incredibly strong right now. It's just frustrating, though. I do feel you. We're just going one-sided. Hey, Tim, you said we weren't getting a trend day in a while. Maybe you manifesto Magesto'd it. Here we go. Family, I don't know how close we are to our 30-like goal. I know we're pretty close. So one more time, if y'all haven't yet, show some love. Let's smash the like button. Try to get over our 30-like goal. Truly means so much. We're going to go into the weekend with some vibes. Reload for next week. Do it all over again. Pablo's giving us a good example of what we need to do is keep our mindset in the right place. I also kind of tilted out this morning when I missed 2 trades back to back by fucking a few points to hit my fucking profit. Owie, owie, McPain. But hey, that's trading, baby. We load back up. We do it all over again. Yeah, it's dope. Too long. I got tagged out. Ironic, really. 4 more likes, guys. Please like the stream. 4 likes for our goal. Y'all, I know you're sitting here thinking, oh, should I like this stream or should I just be sitting here watching? Should I just be watching from the background or should I like the video? Go ahead, show some love. Hit the like button. Truly means the most. I appreciate you for stopping by. Alex Torres, I'm funded again. Any suggestions on the contract sizing? Stick to micros. Alex, I would say take it easy, King. I mean, if you've passed your combines and you got funded, you know the process of what to do. So don't hesitate to try and just follow your strategy, man. Just do your normal strategy, King. If you do feel more comfortable sizing down to build a buffer, you can do that. But I think the biggest thing that people get in their head about with a combine to a funded account is just the mindset. It feels different because it feels, now you know you can make real money, but treat it the exact same, King. You just proved the process to get funded. You know how to make money. Follow the same strategy and do it all over again, man. You got this. Greed and FOMO have messed me up so many times. That's the thing. That's the thing, Alex. Then it's only a matter of time. You know your issues. You know your weaknesses. Keep your confidence. Keep showing up. No reason to. The only thing that changes with a combine to a funded is the mentality. Again, trading is 95% psychological, 5% charting. Do the thing that got you funded. Just keep doing that. Yes, you might blow some accounts, but take that internally. Learn from your mistakes. Don't have greed. If it's your normal take profit, take your profit. Get out when you can. You did all the things that get funded, King. You're right there. Keep showing up. You're going to get that payout. I believe in it. 30 likes and Ty will start an OnlyFans. You guys want to see some OnlyFans? I'll start some, I'll do only muscles. And I'll just show you my diet. And then I'll do like sleep streams. Those markets, you come back stronger. Absolutely. In for a short as well at the 818s. I like it. We are getting extended up here. Eventually, we're going to find some selling, family. Yo, Alex Torres, you can pop over to the YouTube, family. A lot more of us are over there. The community is much stronger, King. Easier viewing experience as well. Only OF I know is order filled. I actually love that. I'm going to start an OF only order filled. That's fucking hilarious, Alex. Well, Ty, wish you the best, King. For the month, I appreciate your realness. Always, Pablo. Keep your head on, King. Like I said, don't waver, brother. You're doing all the right things. Stay steady. Proud of you and your efforts. It takes a real person to show up and get punched in the mouth, clear your head, and show up again. So stay steady, King. Brush it off, FaZe. You got this. Let's go. Stay safe this weekend, people. Every day, every week is a new chance. Not only for trading, life's valuable. Life is precious. I love it, Richner. Don't take it for granted, family. We're doing this for real. Showing up, showing love, doing the things over and over again. Keep your head on right. Seriously, though, guys, I'm going to say it one more time. If you guys are in that area right now, look it up. 2026, January 23rd. I feel like people would quit while I've blown 30 evals and 4 fundeds. There's a reason why I'm still here. Because you're a real trader, Alex. Real traders don't quit, King. We did it to be financial providers and take care of the people we love. We do it for freedom. Even when it gets hard, we get punched in the mouth. We're doing it for something way bigger than us, so it's easier to keep showing up. And I'm proud of you. You're showing the discipline and resilience that's needed to get a payout. So just keep showing up, brother. Consistency compounds. But seriously, guys, look up. January 23rd storm, 2026. If you are in that region that the ice is going to be coming, protect yourselves, okay? Go get a generator, load up on food. Shit's going to be serious. You're going to lose power for a few days. It's going to be cold. We're getting below freezing temperatures. Take care of yourselves, all right? And for the rest of us, hopefully you guys can drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, clear your mindset this weekend, right? Refresh. Yeah, Deontay, you're in Texas. Seriously, brother. Go get a generator, load up some food. Take it serious. It's just going to be wild. You're going to lose power for a few days, guaranteed. So it's hitting you first, too, Saturday. So be careful, be cautious. I'm getting the worst of the ice. What a week. Newbie. Seriously, it's terrifying. Please, take precautions. Take it serious. Right now, NASDAQ is trending up. Hourly candle, guys. Look at this hourly candle close. Golly. Look at that thing. Wowzers. So maybe we're heading in that direction. Maybe this is the trend day that Tim was talking about. All right, I love you guys. Stay safe this weekend. Stay warm. Drink some sun. Get some water. More importantly, hug somebody you love. We'll be back next weekend, and I appreciate every single one of y'all. All right? Peace, family.